Welcome back to OSCM video lecture series. Friends, in this upcoming video series, we will be discussing on various topics related to production planning and control, importance of inventory management, methods of inventory control, and measuring performance of supply chain. As you know, production is the important functional department of any organization which produces goods and deliver these goods to their customer and helps in generating revenue. Thus, effective production planning and control can provide better return on investment and sustainability to the organization on a long run. Let's understand what is production planning and control is. Every customer expects to get best quality of products from the manufacturing organization in the desired quantity and the place of their convenience and on their desired time. Some customers may look for quality, some may look for cost of the product, and some may look for the time, that is the speed of delivery of the products. All these things to which customers are giving highest priority will be considered as the value aspects, that is worth of spending money to purchase any product or availing any services. Similarly, the manufacturing organizations also look forward of delivering highest value to their customers so as to make them satisfied and ensure to have long-term business through association of customers with company's product and services. Thus, if an effective value chain is designed by the manufacturing organization, they can achieve their strategic goal of doing maximum business and earning maximum profitability. In case of any of the value chain activity, may it be manufacturing, packaging, delivery of the finished goods, or even the after sales services, if not possible by the organizations to insource, it can be outsourced to maintain the desired value creation and delivery of value to their customers. The value chain activity starts with making availability of the required raw materials, manpower, machines, money of right quality in the right quantity at the right time at the right price and at the right place, that is 5 R's, for producing and delivery of products and services in the same 5 R's, for creating and delivery of highest value to their customer as compared to their competitors through competitive advantage by ensuring highest degree of customer satisfaction and ensuring business over long run. May it be any industry, the customer expectations more or less are same as follows. Every customer expects to get better quality of products. They also expects to get products available in the required quantity, to get products available at the affordable, that is market price, to get products available at their convenient place. The product should offer better design or features than any other products. The company should also provide faster delivery of the products or services at no extra cost. And lastly, the customer should also get value for their money. If all or most of the customer expectations discussed earlier are fulfilled, the customers will be highly satisfied, which is the ultimate goal of every manufacturing or marketing organization. Thus, to achieve the strategic objective of making customer satisfied, highest value creation is important goal for each company, which in turn will help the companies to create competitive advantage on short run and sustainable competitive advantage on long run. And this is possible for the companies if they have well designed and effectively planned production planning and control system. In this video, we will be discussing on what is production, planning and control and how does it help organizations to achieve their strategic goals. So let us understand what production is. So production is the process of transformation, or we can say a process of conversion of inputs, that is the raw materials, into output, that is finished goods, which can be distributed to their customers. Planning is looking ahead, anticipating possible issues or difficulties related to production process and deciding in advance as to how the production can be carried out without any bottleneck. And control is the process that makes sure the planned production, that is in terms of quality, quantity, promised delivery time at the desired place of customer, is constantly maintained and achieved so as to achieve their strategic goals. Thus, an effective planning and control allows organizations to improve upon their productivity. Production planning and control is effective and efficient utilization of 5 M's of resources. The first M of resource is the material. To ensure availability of materials, may it be the raw materials, maintenance, operation or repair related tools, etc., so as to avoid any shortages and overstocking that is affecting to the production process. Machines, maintenance of machines required for production so as to avoid machine breakdowns and thus stoppage of plant production process. Manpower, this is an human resource which will utilize the materials and machines to produce finished goods. If this resource is effectively utilized, that is well trained and developed manpower, and if they are provided with all support, it will help to avoid accidents or mishaps during the production process, and the production process will go on without stoppage. Money, if money, that is capital, is made available, it will help to procure all desired resources in time, and if used efficiently, it will help for cost effective production. And lastly is the management. The availability of expert management will ensure effective planning and control of production process. Thus, we can define production planning process as the process of planning of resources, that is 5 M's, scheduling of resources for improved productivity, fulfilling customer demand by timely delivery of the products so as to create maximum value for their customer satisfaction. Thus, the production planning and process gives us answers to various questions such as what is to produce, of course, the product or services what is demanded in the market, how much to produce is the quantity in which it is demanded in the market, how to produce is the process which will ensure best quality of product in the right time with cost effective process, when to produce at the time which will complete the production process in the right time and ensures delivery and availability of the product at the desired right time by the customers, and what to be used to produce all the required resources, may it be materials, machines, money, manpower, along with guidelines for production which will ensure effective production. Thus, the answer of first two questions will be related to product planning, and the answers of last three questions will be related to process planning. In the upcoming videos, we will see all these production and process planning in detail. We will also understand what are the different methods of production planning and control, how production planning and control can be done effectively so that organizations can achieve their business goals and objectives. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. If you like the content of this video, then click on the like button and share this video with your friends. Thank you and happy e-learning.